So, hello po sir. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening kung anong oras nyo man po ito napanood. So, gagawa po tayo ng layout. First, gagawin natin is gagawa muna po tayo ng layout. So, ito, gagayain po natin to. So, first is, meron po tayo ditong router 1, 2, and 3. So, punta po tayo dito. Then, piliin po natin yung router ng 1841. So, lagyan mo natin dito is, ito po yung router 1. Then, router 2, and router 3. Ito po yung router R1, then R2, then R3. So, next is, we have sa router 1, mayroon tayong PC2 and PC5. PC2 and PC5. PC5. Then, sa router 2, we have PC1 and PC4. PC1 and PC4. And PC3 and PC6. So next is pagko-connectin na po natin sila. So which is router, gagamitin natin cable is crossover. So we have dito sa may crossover ng sa router is meron po tayong fast internet 0. Then sa PC5 naman is fast internet 1. So, ito, fast internet 0. Then, fast internet 1. Then, sa next naman po is, meron po tayong fast internet 0, fast internet 1. Then fast internet 0, fast internet 1. Then next is sa may router to router. So meron po tayo dito CE0 CE0 serial CE0 to router 2 tas CE0. So wait lang po, medyo nakalimutan ko po. Panoodin po natin yung video po niya.
And we will off this one. We select week 2T, touch, then on.
So bago po pala yun, click po natin ito. Then gamitin first is off muna po natin to. Then i-drop po natin tong week 2T dito. Then on. Then ganun din po sa router 2 and router 3. Off natin. Then click, then drop, then on. Then pagkatapos is gamitin na natin tong, tama ba?
Week 2 network interface card. Router 1, DCE. So router 2 connected dito based on the given topology sa serial port 0 connected to router 1 serial port 0.
Then gamitin na natin itong serial port 0 to serial port 0. Serial port 0, serial port 0, tas serial port.
So let's check yung router 2, then under router 1.
Tapos dito naman po is we have serial port 1 to sa router 3 is serial 1. Then next is lagyan na po natin sila ng, so open muna po natin yung table na ginawa ko po.
Can see right now guys yung serial port how you will, yan. Router 2 going to router 3. So yung connected to router 3 under serial port 1 and that is DTE. Serial port 1 is
Then dito is serial port 1 to DCE serial port 1.
DCE. Then and that is DTE. Serial DCE.
Serial DCE. Serial DCE serial 1. DCE serial 1 to DCE. Yan. Then next is lalagyan na po natin sila ng mga IP address. So dito po tayo sa first muna is PC1. Hindi. Dito sa router 1 which is PC2 350 hosts. PC2 350 hosts. So meron po tayong 192.168.9.254. So copy na lang po natin to. Mali.
Is DCE connected po guys. Ayan. So that's how you will. So after begin with those end devices guys, yun po yung ma-assign doon sa okay. So 110 ball. Okay. So 110 hosts. Then the IP address, the last usable IP address because this we that stop IP configuration, then we will assign now 170 /25. So /25 is based on the subnet okay, at 126, then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.128.
So sa POS internet
1. To PC number 2. That is this IP
Sa internet po pala siya. So, sa fast internet, 350 hosts, which is PC2. Tama ba? Gugulan ko.
configuration. Then, okay, let's go dun sa addressing scheme. Okay, PC2. Yan. So, PC2 is the IP, the last usable IP address assigned in PC2 is 172.16.3.254. Okay, then the subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. So,
350 hosts. 350 hosts, which is nung last usable niya is 192. Editan mo na po pala. $300. Then, dito sa 350 hosts, last usable niya. 350 hosts. To that 1.254. Yun.
.255.252.0. Okay, default gateway is 172.16.0.1. Okay, so we're done for configuring router PC number 2. Then let's proceed to PC number 3. Okay, this IP configuration, IP address. So we need to check yung addressing scheme, PC number 3, the IP is the last usable IP. So 172.16.5.254.
PC2. So, sa PC1 muna po tayo para di po tayo malito. PC1, IP address. Yung PC1 is ito. Copy. Then, yung subnet mask niya po is ito. Copy lang po natin ito. Then, sa may default gateway niya po ng PC1 765.
Then subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. Okay? Then the default gateway is 172.16.4.1.
So, since yung default gateway niya po is NA, so ganito na lang po siya. Yan. Then, dun na po tayo sa PC2. PC1 sa may PC2. Then, sa PC2, then sa PC4, then sa PC5, Then sa PC6. Yan. So, na-connect na po natin sila. Then, next po is
Then, next 4, okay? So, I will demonstrate how we will each routing field nung. So, it will ask you this one guy, would you like to.
So, next po is magpo-config na po tayo ng dito sa router 1. So, click lang po natin itong router 1. Then, click yung CLI. Then, kapag ganyan po yung tsura niya po is ano lang po na type natin is no. Then, enter. Then, start na po natin. First is type natin is enable. Enter ulit. Then, enable. Then configure terminal. Then, yung hostname po ng router natin. So, which is hostname R1. Yung name po ng router 1 po natin. So, enter. Then, enable secret class. Then, enter. Then, no IP domain lookup. Then, enter. Then, banner method hashtag unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Then hashtag. Then enter. Then banner method hashtag unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Then line console 0. Then password Cisco. Then login. Then type line VTY 0 space 4. Then enter. Then password Cisco. Then enter. Then login. machine, then enter interface FA0/0. So ito po yung yung mag-assign po tayo ng IP address, then enter, then type IP address, which is yung wait lang po.
Another enter, then it will show now the CLI sign. Then those para makita natin straight line command. Okay, then enter. Then next is line console for. So same we will do doon sa router 2 and router 3, but later on na lang to explain what those. Okay, yan. So first is we need space of the router now. So, okay, then enter. That 16.170.16. That's we will check now yung addressing scheme natin. So pass Ethernet 0, the assigned IP address is 172.16.0. Okay, lagyan dito. Then, okay, 252.0. Okay, then enter. Okay,
So IP address, then 192. Copy natin yan. Ayaw. 192.168.8.1. So type 192.168.8.1. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255.540 space 255.255.254.0, then enter. Then type no shutdown. Ito po yung gagana na po siya dito. So mag-green na po siya. Try po natin. Shutdown, then enter. Yun. Green na po siya. So next is enter lang natin. Then yung susunod po is which is yung PC5. So tama ba? PC5. 192.168.11.1. So interface, then pass internet 0/1, then enter, then IP address, then yung IP address ng ito, which is 192.168.11.1, 192.168.11.1, then space 11.1, then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.128, then enter, then type no shutdown, then enter. So ayun, invalid. Bakit invalid? $125 host. So ulit. So 125 host, which is 125 126. To 11, tama. Tama naman.
As you can see guys, dito, tignan po ninyo, local area network where PC2 is included. Okay? Yan. So, we already configured yung and port 0, pass Ethernet port under router 1. So, kapag it's showing now that location that the connection. We will proceed doon sa pass Ethernet 1 naman. Okay, just press enter. Then, interface pass Ethernet 0, 1. Enter.
Ulit. Interface. Pass. Tama ba? Pass internet 0. 1.
Then, IP address. Then, you will check now yung address.
Then enter, then IP address.
Business scheme natin, IP address for pass Ethernet 1 is 172.16.7.1 and
192.168.11.1. 192.168.11.1.
And subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. Okay, so we will assign that one now. So 255.1.
So 255.128. 255.255.128.
Then enter, then again after, okay, and
Then type now shutdown. Yun, gumana na po siya. Yan. Then next,
enter. Then the connection from PC1 to router 1 now is also IP address configure is okay, yung serial port. So okay, serial port, so we will check yung addressing scheme. So serial port is 172.16.7.194. Then subnet mask is 2 sa router 1. Okay? Enter. Then interface serial port 0. So serial port SE0.
yun. Enter, then interface, then serial port dot 0/0/0. Then
/0. Enter. Then IP address. Okay.
enter, then IP address, which is 11.197.192.168. Dot 11.197. Then yung subnet mask niya is space 255.255.255.254. 25252.
.255.252. Now, okay.
Then enter, then no shutdown.
Okay. Enter. So, still down pa rin yung connections kahit nag-no shutdown ka dyan guys because 2. Kaya port 0 dito sa router 2, then mag-a-up na yung connections. Magiging green na po yan guys. Okay? Ayan. So, in router 1, we configure already those ports connected in router 1. Next thing that we do is we will now assign or configure now yung okay. Ang gagawin po guys, kailangan ma-establish natin the routing na pwedeng or dito sa mga ano yung mga okay? At saka yung network dito under 5. So gagawan po natin ng routing table yan. Ngayon, dito, kunin mo yung network address dito. Yung network address dito at saka yung kanyang sub router 1, yung IP route, yung exit point para bakas yung serial port 0 sa router 2 serial port 0 is ang IP address niya is 172.16.7.193. Yun po yung exit port PC3. Okay? So, how? Okay, dito. So, IP route. Then, yung network address. So, first, itong network, yung bilong yung PC number 3. So, yung network ng PC3 is yung 484 host. So, we will check yung built and subnetting table natin nang nagawa. Yung 484 host, ang kanyang network address is 172.16.4.4.0/23 that is 255.255.254. Zero. Yung bilong yung PC number
type IP route, then yung sa may PC1 which is 765. So 192.168.4.0. Tama ba?
.16.40. Okay? So, yung 3, yung network is /23. That
192.168.4.0 space yung CI yung /22 /22. Tingnan natin yung /22. So, meron po tayong 255.255.252.0. Two five five dot 255.252.0. Tama ba? Tama. 252.0. Then
subnet mask space, another is yung exit port para papunta sa router 1. So ang exit port ng network na to is doon sa router 2 and that is serial port 0. So yung serial port 0 kanina, ang IP noon is 172.16.7.193.
16.192. Saan yun?
Subnet mask is 255.255.
To 194.
Subnet mask is /30, that is 255.255.255.252. Then enter. Enter. So, up na yung connect. Now, so paano yun? This network address, so first, yung 484 host, ang kanyang network address is 172.16. Router 2. Then, ang pinaka-exit packet dito, guys,
Yung exit. Then, exit. Choosing serial is 192.168.11.197. 197. Then enter.
yung serial port 0 kanina, ang IP noon is 170, then enter. So, we assign now one route, okay, to a certain network address connected from the given network topology, guys. Okay? So, another route, guys, na gagawin natin or i-assign natin is yung local area network where PC4 included dito from router 3. So, kukunin ulit natin yung network address ng network na to, then yung subnet mask, pagkatapos yung exit route ito, papunta doon sa router 1. So, ang exit route, guys, hindi po dito sa router 3 kasi kapag once na lumabas yung packet dito, guys, dadaan pa siya sa router 2. Then, ang pinaka-exit niya is dito sa router 2 papuntang router 1. Yan, kundi dito. Okay? So, serial port 0. So, that is 172.16.7.193. Okay. So, IP route
Exit. IP route. IP route, which is ito. Serial number 1. IP route. So, yung IP route dito. Yun. $765 hosts. 765 hosts, which is 192.168.4.0. That 4.0. Then yung subnet mask niya is 22. 22 is 2520. Then space ulit is yung CE, serial number ng ito 192.168.11. Dot 197. Then enter. Invalid. Invalid detect. Shutdown change. So, ulitin natin. Interface. Dito na lang tayo. Let CLI. Then no. Para di po tayo mahirapan. Then type enable. Enable. Then configure terminal. Excuse me. Then host name. Host name which is R2. Excuse me po. then enter, enable secret class, then enter, then no IP domain lookup, then enter, task banner MOTD, then hashtag unauthorized access is strictly prohibited, then hashtag, then enter, then line console 0, then password Cisco, then login, then line VTY 0, then 4, then password Cisco, enter, then login, then interface FA fast internet 1 0, then enter IP address nito, IP address ng 765, ito 192.168, that 4.1, then subnet mask niya is 2.2.2.2.2.0, then enter, no shutdown, yun siya. So dito naman tayo sa PC4, which is 115 hosts. One hundred 150 hosts. Ito. Enter. Then So, anin na natin ang interface. Interface FA. Ba yun? FA01. FA0/1. /1. Then enter IP address, which is 192.10.1. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.0. Then enter no shutdown. Yun. So, umilaw na po siya. So, dito na po tayo sa router 3. Ganun lang po ulit, paulit-ulit. Click natin tong router 3. Hihuli na po natin i-configure po yung mga router po. Yung router 1, 2, and 3. So, click natin to. Then, sa may CLI ulit. Then, type no. Then, enable. Then, configure terminal. Configure terminal. Then, yung hostname, which is R3. Then, enter, enable secret class. Then, enter no IP domain lookup. Then, enter banner MOTT hashtag unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Then enter input. No pala yun ulit. No IP domain lookup. No IP domain lookup. Then banner MOTT hashtag unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. Yun. Then, type line console. Zero. Then, password Cisco. Then, enter login. Then, enter line VTY 0 then enter password Cisco, then enter login, enter which is yung internet interface. Enter F1 0 1 ng interface ng pass internet 0/0, then enter IP address ng router 3, IP address ng router 3 which is ito 192.168.1.0. Then yung subnet mask niya is 255.252.0. Tama ba? 0. Then enter, then no shutdown. Yun. So ayan, dito na tayo sa PC3 sa 50 host. So gagawin natin ulit is enter interface FA0/1, then enter yung IP address niya is IP address niya is 11.190.168.11.190. Then yung subnet mask niya is 192.255.192. Tama ba? 192. Then enter. Invalid. IP address. So ulit, interface ng FA0/1, enter, tas which is yung PC3 ng 50 host. Ayun, 190. IP address 192.168.11.190 space is 255. Dot 192. 192. Then, enter. Yun. Down. No shutdown. Yun, check natin. Yan. So, next. Sa router 1. Pagkukonikin na ba natin sila? After niya napailaw yung mga yan, then connect. Password. Cisco. Ayan, then sa may COE ng router 2. COE ng router 2. So, first is interface ulit. Interface. Then, CE CE 0/0/0. Then, enter. Valid input. IP route ba? Okay, IP route. Ng 11.193.168.11.193. Then, space, which is yung subnet mask niya is 252. 255.255.255.252. Okay. Then, yung nag-ends, which is sa may router 1. Router 1 has is 192.168. Dot 11.197. 197, enter. Ayaw. Shutdown. Please. So, dito na. Try po natin. Cisco. Dun. Then, panoodin natin ulit.
Then yung network address ng PC4 that is 53 hosts. So 53 hosts that is 26. 255. So we will assign now IP route
R1 shutdown. Interface.
Yung pinili kong wig sa Shopee! Yung shades!
Yung gitara ko from Shopee!
So let's enter again. So enable, enter, then configure terminal, secret class, enter. Then after that, assign IP address of all ports. Then as you can see, up na yung ang IP after one is dito guys, lahat po ng exit port IP route 1.0.0.0
IP route, which is 2 dot 168 dot IP route ng PC2. Subnet mask.
space 0.0.
Then yung ito. Then yung SOE. dot 11 dot 197.
0.0 space 1.
Yun. Wala ko na din po. Address mask.
170.
Then next is router 2. Sa router 1 naman is IP route. Ng COE ng router 2. COE ng router 2, which is ito. 193. Subnet mask 2.2. Then that 11.197. Balik pa rin. Sige, exit muna. IP route ng is 0 11. Yup. 201. Sis ko. Yan. Tapos, IP route. Tingnan natin.
Is 73. 7 error. So receipt simulation.
May nakalimutan po tayo. Punta muna sa option, then preference, then check natin yung ayan.
Yan. Play. Okay.
Then try natin. Diba yun? So, reset po natin. So, first dito. Ito ba yun? Password. Dito next password. Turn on. Enable. Interface. Dapat magkakonect silang dalawa. Interface. FA 01 0 0 then enter. Sir, hindi ko po masundan. Kahit may minus na lang po, sir. Kasi hindi ko na po talaga masundan. Sorry po. So, hanggang ito lang po yung nana ko po. Try naman natin. Lang po. Paturo po po. So, yun lamang po yung nakayanan ko, sir. Okay lang po sa akin kahit may minus na po. Hindi ko muna po talaga siya masundan, sir. So, yan lamang po and thank you po.